Morax is the architect of knowledge who teaches that knowledge must be ordered to have power. Conversely, knowledge without order is potentially destructive. Within the Ars Goetia, Morax is described as an earl and president who appears as a bull or a man with a bull's head. He teaches astronomy, liberal sciences, and the virtues of stones and herbs. And he governs 36 legions of spirits. What we must understand about this demon is that he maps reality by ordering knowledge into systems. Think astronomy, astrology, the sciences, properties, structures, taxonomies. Morax doesn't bother with opinion or conjecture. His interest is with establishing real foundational knowledge that carries gravitas, and so it's fitting that he appears in the form of a bull, an animal symbolizing weight and stability. The bull does not leap, rather it is persistent and stands strongly, and what firmly stands long enough becomes infrastructure. Morax teaches astronomy and the liberal sciences. To know the stars, one must understand cycles, proportions, recurrence, and scale. The liberal sciences, grammar, logic, rhetoric, arithmetic, geometry, music, as well as astronomy, form the classical framework of civilized cognition. This is all knowledge that works pragmatically because it has been ordered. Additionally, Morax teaches the virtues of stones and herbs as classical philosophy, with each substance being understood through its properties, conditions, and limits. Morax holds two titles because he rules over two domains, one of earth, substance, and accumulation, and a second of order, classification, and governance. Morax rules knowledge that can be institutionalized, such as we find with libraries, universities, canons, curricula, etc. But he also guards against their corruption. So, when an institution loses sight of why knowledge exists, its true purpose, Morax withdraws and the structure collapses into dogma. Morax is a gatekeeper of knowledge. The harsh teaching here is that not all minds are ready for knowledge. Morax governs the fixing stage within alchemy. Before alchemical transmutation, before any kind of transformation, knowledge must be stabilized, verified, and grounded. Too much mercury without earth dissolves the work. Morax supplies the earth. Within the tarot, Morax resonates most closely with the Hierophant, symbolizing structured transmission of knowledge. He also resonates with the Emperor, conveying authority grounded in order, and also indirectly with the World card, symbolic of complete systems. These cards connect best with Morax because he's a demon of architecture. He's a demon of knowing how things work and how they hold together. His role is to remind the magician that you must understand before you transcend. You must master before you innovate. You must be able to bear the weight of what you claim to know before speaking with authority.